Do you know that 1 in 10 organizations experience money laundering? Yes, money laundering has been a persistent problem throughout the world, which is estimated in the range of $1 to $2 trillion annually. So, is there a solution to prevent this ever-persistent threat? Introducing DataVision's FinTrust, a complete anti-money laundering and know your customer solution for risk-based categorization of customers, investigation, and reporting of suspicious transactions with fewer false positives to prevent money laundering using the power of system intelligence. Yes, FinTrust is a flexible, yet robust system using advanced algorithms that enable extensive analytics in the Know Your Customer, KYC, and transaction analysis segments. Its algorithms and configurable rule-based engine helps to define pattern recognition in transactions and monetary instruments, among others, enable early warning alerts of suspicious transactions. FinTrust can be easily deployed on premises or on the cloud through ASPs. FinTrust comes integrated with our core banking system, but it's flexible enough to be integrated with any third-party systems. Some of the key benefits provided by FinTrust include enabling banks to understand their customers better and ensure better risk management. Allows user, admin, to configure KYC rules that cannot be bypassed by staff, hence reducing the chances of forgery. Meets the mandatory requirements of the FIU for reporting suspicious transactions. Helps banks establish appropriate control, stay fully compliant with statutory requirements, and prevent frauds through the flagging and reporting of money laundering and other suspicious transactions. FinTrust comes with a powerful and proven combination of anti-fraud, anti-money laundering, and business intelligence utilities that helps financial institutions to monitor and flag suspicious transactions for further investigation by authorized officials. Add to that a range of built-in statutory reports presented in a globally accepted format which can be easily customized by the banks, and you can be rest assured that banks' anti-money laundering needs are fulfilled. FinTrust helps banks establish appropriate controls and comply with statutory requirements while also meeting the mandatory requirements of FIU for reporting suspicious transactions. This is done through an easily configurable rules engine, which allows for workflow accountability, giving you more flexibility and total control. Understand your customers better and manage risk more effectively. Reach us at datavsn.us to know more about FinTrust today.